I've got the gun in my left hand, and as I come around, I have to get pretty much my entire head around in order to get my dominant eye behind those sights. However, with the laser, I can still use a two-handed grip, but using only my left eye, I can see that the gun is now aligned with the camera lens. Another advantage of a laser is with target focus, instead of seeing the gun, if you see it at all, as this sort of fuzzy mass between you and your target, you're looking at a nice, precise aiming point on your target. One of the advantages of the laser is that it helps you hit moving targets more easily. And the reason it does that is because you aren't quite so tempted to stop the gun when you want to take the shot, because the laser, because your sight reference is on the target itself, you tend to keep it with the target and pull the trigger through your gun's movement. Now, if your range doesn't have a mover so you can practice this, well, you're going to have to improvise, and this range doesn't have a mover, and you can see we've improvised here by borrowing a kid's little red wagon and just taping or wiring the target stand onto it. We wrap the rope around a pole. Dave's going to pull the rope while I shoot the target. Because the laser has to be attached to the handgun somewhere, and because it can't be in the barrel itself, there will be an offset between where the laser points and where the barrel causes the bullet to impact, except at your 0 point. Every manufacturer and every model probably has a slightly different offset, both in terms of windage and elevation. But for instance, with this J-frame, with the laser here, you can see that the laser is about 3/4 of an inch down from the barrel and about 1/2 an inch over to the right. That is to say, with the barrel pointing right here at point blank range and the bullet impacting right here, the laser will be pointing 3/4 of an inch down and 1/2 an inch over, just like it is on the gun.